Hello viewers and welcome back to Ajastro Money Guru. Nina here, bringing you the latest insights and in-depth analysis on the commodity markets. Today we're diving into the recent movements in ICE sugar prices and what's driving them. As of Wednesday's close, ICE sugar futures saw a dip, with the July contract settling at 18.06 cents per pound, a 0.9% decrease. This pullback follows a climb to a one-month peak of 18.29 cents just the day before. Similarly, ICE white sugar also experienced a decline, closing at $503.60 per ton, down by 1.16%. So what's behind this downward pressure? A key factor is the latest forecast from Datagro Consultancy, projecting a global sugar surplus of 1.53 million metric tons for the upcoming 2025-26 season. This is a significant shift from the estimated deficit of 4.67 million metric tons in the current 2024-25 season, naturally weighing on market sentiment. Adding to this bearish tone is the performance of the crude oil market. We saw WTI crude prices decline by 0.82% following a surprise increase in US crude inventories, as reported by the EIA. Furthermore, comments from President Trump regarding potential negotiations on a nuclear agreement with Iran have introduced the possibility of increased Iranian crude exports, which could further boost global oil supply. Typically, weaker crude oil prices can translate to less incentive for sugar mills in Brazil to divert sugarcane towards ethanol production, thus potentially increasing sugar supply. It's worth remembering that earlier in the week, sugar prices did find some temporary support. This came from UNICA's report indicating lower than anticipated sugar production in Brazil's Center-South region. The market is now keenly awaiting UNICA's next update, specifically focusing on cane yields, or tons of cane per hectare. This figure will be a vital clue in assessing the overall productivity of the Brazilian crop. Looking ahead, it's clear that several factors will continue to shape sugar price movements. Keep a close eye on Brazil's crop progress and any further updates from UNICA. Global supply and demand forecasts will remain crucial indicators, and of course, we can't ignore the influence of the energy markets. That's your quick update on the sugar market. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Ajastro Money Guru for more timely analysis on commodities. Stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.